So this US 30 analysis for Tuesday, the 27th of March. Now, let's just have a look what the prices and where they might likely go. So we've seen, after seeing this very sharp sell-off over a 2-hour period here on the US 30, we've seen the strong, well, I say it's a reversal here. And we've seen a strong recovery here on the US 30. We did have this brief pullback here, back down to test that 23,750. But from this move to the upside and the brief subsequent pullback to 23,750, we've seen this strong progressive move here to the upside now, beyond even the 24,238. Now, we've not quite got towards that 24,420. We are seeing a bit of weakness coming to this market here, so there's still a possibility of seeing a brief pullback before seeing prices progress towards that 24,420. If, however, we are successful in breaking above this 24,420, we're looking for a move up towards that 510. Successful break from which we're looking for the major level of the 24,550. In around 24,550, we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of potentially seeing that sell side momentum possibly taking us back down towards that 420. If, however, we don't see the strong sell side momentum coming to the market from the 24,550, we're then looking for price head towards that 650, 700, in around where we do have the 400 period moving average, which could act as a confluence area and see us see some sell side momentum possibly take us back down towards that 550. If, however, we are successful in breaking the 24,700, we're then looking for price head towards that 24,800, which we'd expect to be the far end of the range here to the upside here on the US 30. If, however, we aren't able to break back above and test this, if we aren't able to progress towards that 24,420, we're then looking for sell side momentum to bring us back down towards that 24,238. And if we're unable to find support there, we're looking for price head down towards that 24,000, 24,071. An area where we've previously found support. I wouldn't anticipate us moving much beyond the 24,071, but if we do see sufficient volatility, we could see price head down towards 23,900, or possibly even at a strong, we'd have to have an incredibly strong bearish day. If we did see that, we would be looking for prices then head down towards that 23,750, an area, a well-established area where we have previously found support here on the US 30. We'll have a brief look at the daily chart just to see how prices are progressing. On this daily chart, we can see we've had our highs, lower high, lower high. We've had strong move to the downside, not quite got down towards our 200 period moving average here on the daily chart. We had a strong progressive move to the upside yesterday. We've seen some of that follow through today so far, so we'll see whether prices can go up towards those key important levels previously identified as areas of interest, but we are still operating in the shadow of a series of lower highs, despite the fact that we have seen that bullish buy side momentum come back into this market. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.